If I were you, I'd dash accept the offer. A, will, B, would, C, had. He told me that he'd dash be late. A, will, B, would, C, shall. The teacher along with students dash present. A, are, B, is, C, were. She's not used to dash up early. A, getting, B, get, C, got. They dash completed the project by now. A, should have, B, would, C, could. It's time you dash more seriously. A, study, B, studied, C, had studied. The manager demanded that he dash fired. A, B, B, was, C, is. Neither the answer nor the explanation dash clear. A, are, B, is, C, were. The train had already left when we dashed at the station. A, arrived. B, had arrived. C, arrived. She like coffee or tea? A, do. B, does. C, is. This is the house dash I grew up in. A, which. B, where. C, that. They succeeded dash their hard work. A, do. B, because. C, because of. She's capable dash solving the problem. A to B of C4. I'm looking forward to dash you soon. A, C, B, C in, C, B, C in. Everyone dash doing their best. A, R, B, is, C, were. I'd rather you dash now. A leave B left C leaving. As soon as he dash, we'll begin. A. Arrive. B. Arrives. C. Arrived. The book's on the table, dash mine. A is, B are, C was. I regret dash you. A hurting, B hurt, C to hurt. They made her dash everything again. A do, B to do, C did. Not only the players but also the coach dash excited. A are, B is, C were. I saw the boy dash away with my bag. A run, B runs, C running. If she bird earlier, she wouldn't be late. A left, B had left, C leaves. The scissors dash on the table. A is, B are, C has. I had him dash the letter again. A rewrite, B rewrote, C rewritten. He asked whether I dashed to join. A want, B wanted, C had wanted. I'll wait here until he dash. A comes, B will come, C came. Let him dash his homework. A to finish, B finish, C finishing. She dashed to work when the accident happened. A was going, B went, C had gone. I don't know dash car that is. A whose, B whose, C whom. I suggested that he dash early. A arrive, B arrives, C arrived. The number of participants dash increasing. A, R, B is, C were. She is one of the students who dash passed. A has, B have, C is. They congratulated him, dash his success. A for B of C on. Scarcely had he reached when it to rain. A begins, B began, C had begun. The film was boring, and so dash the book. A is, B was, C did. The film was boring, and so dash the book. A is, B was, C did. He was too tired. Dash, go on. A, 2. B, 4. C, that. I prefer tea, dash, coffee. A over B to C than. I wish she dash with us. A comes, B came, C had come. There dash many people at the event. A was, B were, C is. She denied dash the vase. A to break, B breaking, C break. Dash. You finish your work. You may go. A, while, B, unless, C, once. Left without dash goodbye. A say, B saying, C to say. Would you mind dash the window? A, open, B, to open, C, opening. How long dash you known her? A, did, B, have, C, has. I had my wallet dashed yesterday. A, steal, B, stole, C, stolen. No one knew where the noise dashed from. A comes, B came, C had come. I've lived here, dash 2010. A, since. B, for. C, from. She's been waiting dash morning. A, for. B, since. C, from.
Thank you so much for watching. Drop your target scores in the comments. Subscribe Talk Learner for more videos, and also drop your target scores in the comments. Thank you. Have a wonderful day and a peaceful night too. Bye-bye.